Hello everyone. Hello vlog. Another day, another vlog. Yay, it's a beautiful day. Yahoo! But it's cold. Sunny, but it's cold, guys. We need the gloves. Wow. Nasa hill po tayo ngayon. We're in the top of the mountain. Walking. Look at that house. So, natapos na. That's a renovation for how long? How many years? Binago. Lahat tinanggal. Then nag-build sila ng new one. So everything is new. Look at that house. Grabe. I don't know how many years they built this house. Dito sa dyan, sa road. Binutasan nila lahat yan, guys. Yeah, binutasan nila lahat yan. O, tignan nyo, still construction on the side. At the backyard, maybe there's a big swimming pool. Look, it's huge. Wala pang nakatira, still oh boy, that's huge one. Oh, it's a big backyard then. May extension. Sana all. Mapapasana all ka na lang, guys. Oh, lamig. Malamig po. You need the gloves on. Dito tayo, may aso dyan. Yeah, beautiful sun. Daan tayo sa view deck. Ayan, kikita na ang ilog. Ibok. Ilog, going to the island. Turn here. Ayun. We can walk here. Oh lala. There's the houses of the millionaire, guys. Yeah, andito ang Tommy. You know Tommy? The jeans, pantalon, ganon. Dito po nakatira yun. Bahay. Yung Juicy Couture. Dito rin, pero sa bundok, ibok talaga. Si Parasuko, nandito din sa bundok. Bundok. Ano ito? Ayun. Gotcha. Oh, look at this. Woo! Last duman ako dito, guys. I think is it last month? Marami pang snow. Yeah, doon tayo pupunta. Doon, pababa. Diyan. Bababa. Hanggang sa babang baba. Ayun o, see? Ayun o, ilog. Alright, continue walking. Stair. So bundok tayo kasi. Bundok, ibok. Wala pang mga leaves, as you can see, guys. Next month, opo. Probably next month. Now April 2nd. Pambilis ng panahon. April na pala. Ayun, dun tayo kanina galing. Ayun. Beautiful blue sky. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Andito na tayo sa baba. So we're going down, 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 down. Ayan o, doon tayo galing sa taas-taas. Alright. Yehoo! Wala nang snow totally. Dry leaves is there, still there. Dry leaves. Trees is still no leaves. Soon. Yeah, nagano na siya, nagbusil-busil na. Una bulaklak muna. Bulaklak. Opo, bulaklak muna yan. Alright. Thank you for watching. It's cold guys, cold, cold, cold. Mahangin. May kasamang hangin. We're eating pears. That's it, guys. Blue sky. Sino to? Nam nam. Pears. Ating lens. Kamote. Nilingta nga kamote kan ko. Lens natin saka pears. Nilingtang na kamote saka boiled na kamote, then the pears. Wow. Hey bird, how are you? Busy ang mga tao dito guys. Walang nagmamarites. Walang mamarites sa mga kanto-kanto. Busy. Diba? Nuts. We're gonna eat nuts. Mixed nut. No more snow, but it's still cold. We need gloves, guys. That is -2. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Lamig. Ito yung gloves. Bye bye everyone. Galing dun ako. Doon. From there. Going down. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye everyone. Beautiful sky again and again and again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang taas, ang tirik, no? Too high.